But basically, the thing about a wallet is, one, it's inefficient, it's unsafe, and also it's real world. It doesn't fit into the rest of the stuff that you do around you. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to talk you through a day and how PayPal would see a wallet in the cloud working for you in the day-to-day. I had a nice sound effect here to wake you all up, but it didn't work. So the first thing you do in the morning is you get up. So I'm going to take you through some pretty crazy things, but some of these things exist and we play with them. So the first thing we've been playing around here is the fridge. So your fridge, you've run out of milk. You're there in the morning or you're just running out of milk. Your fridge should be connected to that cloud. And actually, with this fridge, and we have a video which you can watch, actually it all shows this stuff, you could then order your milk on the fridge, that connects to your supermarket, your supermarket's connected up to your wallet in the cloud, your milk gets delivered by whoever you order your milk from next day. You've had your breakfast. Moving on, you're now going to start your car. So here's the keys thing. These are some apps. If you haven't seen it, Viper Cars and Mercedes, you can open your car with your iPhone now. Great for car rollers. Kind of fun. I mean, you can't start the car with them, that's the only thing. So you started your car with your iPhone, off we go. Congestion charge. I don't know if you've guys got some Manchester yet?
Not yet.
Great. So we're messing around with GPSs. So if you have a GPS in your car, most of your GPSs have SIM cards in them. So the GPSs can connect to the cloud. Your GPS knows where you are, your GPS knows where the congestion zone is. So as you drive in, why doesn't your GPS just pay congestion charge for you? Again, wallet in the cloud. Moving on, time for coffee. If you haven't got this here yet, but this is the Starbucks app. So if you've got a Starbucks card, you can have the Starbucks app. You can go in and you'll show your phone over to Starbucks guy, he scans it, you pay for your coffee, you move on. Not a PayPal wallet, but still a wallet in the cloud. Now, parking meters. I hate parking meters. I'm a biker. I normally get free parking. In London, they decided to start charging bikers. Thanks, guys. What a pain in the arse it is to pay. You've got no cash on you, and then you go to this parking meter, and they give you this. You now have to ring up. You're on hold for 4 minutes. You have to then read your card number over the phone to someone who then gives you a code that you lose next time you're going to use it. This should be connected up to your wallet in the cloud as well, and someone should do this right. You then get to work, traditional, this is not my office, but I wish it was. You get to work, traditional work stuff. You've got the internet, you've got a machine on your desk, you're already hopefully using PayPal, you could be using any other wallet, but essentially your computer, your workspace is now connected up to the cloud. Now we get onto the crazy stuff. So, everybody seen a Microsoft table? Has anyone played around with a Microsoft table? It's a table, but it's all interactive. You can play with stuff on it, move things around. One of the cool things they've done on it is you can actually detect on the table how much drink is left in your glass, then ask you if you want another one. So, what we've done with this app here is, when it pops up and asks you for another one, you can order a beer, click on the PayPal button and buy that beer from the table. Again, connected up to the cloud. Cinema tickets, we did a thumbprint reader thing for this video. Where you can put your thumbprint on the poster of the film you want to watch and buy your ticket for the film. Again, all connected on the cloud. You get even crazier. Your shopping basket's got a little pay thing on it. Your TV, now this one actually exists. So we just launched the Philips Net TV with Philips, where you can buy something through your remote control on your TV through a number of different suppliers. So if you're addicted to the shopping channel, I'm really sorry we just screwed your life up. Also, games machines, Wii's are connected now. You've got the DS's, they're all connected, they're getting more and more connected again, should be connected to the cloud. A lot of future stuff there. Some of it's really real, some of it's purely in our lab area, but really, the next evolution of the wallet, and we've just launched some of this stuff, is mobile. So, a lot of people have been talking about mobile payments and how you're going to deal with mobile payments and the rest of it. As far as we're concerned, it's nothing to do with the mobile. In mobile, it's just a pretty interface. And as you were saying about Zero before, behind it, it's the look and feel of what you got there. Behind it is the same traditional PayPal system, right at the back end. It's connected up with these X APIs and the PayPal X stuff, but it's the front end, it's the user experience, and making it work, feel good on an iPhone, feel good on other devices that we're playing around with. And what we've done here is we've just started to play, and I'm going to try and show you a video because it never worked when you did it in presentations. It's a bit of a silly video, but it's kind of fun.
For millennia, humans
animals have exchanged metal coins and bits of paper to pay each other. But recently, a new breed, a new subspecies has developed. The PayPal iPhone app user. And here they are. These two are called Steve and Tom. Marvelous specimens. They are members of the same group, but do not seem to know much about each other. Where other animals may use scent markings or elaborate displays to exchange information, the PayPal app user has a more sophisticated method. They simply bump their iPhones together. How majestic. Look here. It seems that Steve has discovered a food supply, which he will gladly share with Tom, provided Tom pays for his half. And, thanks to their new app adaptation, this process is incredibly easy. A few taps, and it is done. Tom may now partake in the feast. iPhone users indeed are social animals. Case in point, Tom has purchased a pair of football tickets, one of which he gives to Steve. Tom is wary of directly asking Steve, the alpha male, to repay him for the tickets. Instead, he sends a request with his PayPal iPhone app. Steve receives the request, sends the money to Tom, and the social bonds are strengthened. Yes, as the ways of metal and paper money begin to die out, the PayPal iPhone app users are poised to become the dominant species.
So, as I said, pretty silly video, but essentially what we've done with this, just to show an example, we started to play with the device itself and how the device interacts with this wallet in the cloud. So what we've done with the iPhone is, if you haven't seen this app already, it's got something called Bump built into it. So if I want to give you money, I just have to bump my phone against you, and that will instantly open the app on both phones and ask me how much money I'd like to give you. I can then just put £10 and it's instantly transferred between the two phones. So that uses something that's particular to these smartphone generations. You can do things like that. You can use the GPS. Other tools we've got there, as you saw there, is you can start to share a bill in a restaurant. So if you don't trust the guys there, you can okay, disable mouse clicks. Never mind. If you want to share a bill in a restaurant or something like that, you can actually just put in the amount the other people's owe and it instantly bills them within the restaurant environment. So lots of things we're doing here. And really, the message from this talk is the wallet should be in the cloud. The wallet shouldn't be independent, it shouldn't be an internet wallet, it shouldn't be a mobile wallet, it should be a GPS wallet. It should sit in that cloud. And with the PayPal X platform, we talked about platforms a minute ago, we've developed APIs and tools that allow you to integrate whatever you're building into a payment system that's really good at moving money. And really what we're saying is we're not great at building apps. We built PayPal's a pretty good app, but it's also, as you said, it's about 10 years old and it's getting a bit flaky around the edges. But with these APIs will allow you to build all kinds of interesting things. If you are going to use the force.com, if you can use Microsoft Azure, we build components or plugins for all of those platforms, so you can just plug the PayPal bit in and not worry how you're going to do the money bit. We'll work with all your cloud environment, we'll work with the tools that you're using there, and it will give you what you need without having to start from scratch. So a really quick presentation.
Thank you very much.